Even if it feels like your relationship is falling apart, it doesn't always mean that everything is lost. Many couples live together, like roommates, while quietly feeling lonely in their own home. The silence you call peace can often hide unspoken hurt and deep resentment. Your partner cannot read your mind, and silent expectations usually turn into disappointment. When you compare your real relationship to filtered social media lives, you will always feel not good enough. When life revolves only around kids and chores, it's easy to forget that you are a couple, not just parents. A group of friends at a dinner table. One partner makes a joke about the other. Everyone laughs, then a close-up on the partner's eyes shows hidden hurt. Background slightly blurs. Even 20 honest minutes without phones and blame can do more for your relationship than years of silent tension. Small daily gestures keep love alive and say, "You matter to me," louder than big speeches. Healthy conflict means talking about the problem without shouting, without insults, and with the courage to pause when emotions are too strong. Shared goals and dreams connect you much stronger than shared worries and endless problems. Asking a therapist for help is not a weakness. It is a sign that your relationship is important to you. Honestly checking where you stand with trust, intimacy, and time together is the first step toward change. You are not the only one going through this, and here you have a safe space to talk honestly about relationships. In the next video, we'll break down 5 phrases that quietly kill love and show you what to say instead.